That's right, turn it around. Good job, Alice. Yeah, look at you doing it all by yourself. Yay! Smile for Daddy.
Hello, madame, madame.
Mademoiselle.
Le petite mademoiselle. Look at you, Alice. Sweetheart. Alice.
Yay! Woo!
That.
What are you gonna do now? That's right. Good job. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Alice, let me see in your hat, in your beret.
Alice. Alice, where are you? Can you stand up? Go ahead, stand up. Can you stand up?
She wants to sneak up on you.
Okay.
Where'd Mommy go, Alice? Where'd Mommy go? Where'd she go?
She doesn't care.
Hey, Lulu. There's Mommy. Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Hey, Alice. Hi, Alice. Alice, sweetie. Hi. Hello. Hello.
Alice. Alice, what does a cow say? What does a cat say?
What does a monkey say? What does a dog say? Yeah. Hey, Alice. Alice, can I give you a kiss? Can I kiss your nose? Alice. Sweepy. Sweepy. Can I kiss your nose, Alice? Yeah. My little Madeline. Uh-oh, the lion. My little Madeline. Look at you, doing a good job, sweetie.
You dance?
Look at this steady cam, look at this. Good job.
All right, Alice. Woo! Ah! You just ran over my foot. Oh my goodness. Go ahead.
Alice!
Oh. Don't let Daddy blame that stuff on you.
Good job.
Maybe.
Woo!
Wow, one hand. One hand.
What are you doing?
Oh, hand. When you say hand, that's what she does.
One hand, Alice.
Beep, 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 beep. Bzzz. Beep, 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 beep. You want me to kiss your nose? Is that what you're telling me? Should I kiss your nose?
Did you give your mommy a kiss? Alice, give your mommy a kiss.
Can I have a kiss?
Oh,
Thank you.
All right.